Hello, this is a tutorial on how to draw polygons on Google Earth to define boundaries of potential areas of interest for the proposals you will make for this ISRA workshop. First, you can download Google Earth for desktops from their webpage, or you can also use the web version. In this tutorial, we will focus on how to construct the polygons in the desktop version. Once you have downloaded and installed Google Earth on your computer, open the application and use the arrows on the top right side of the screen to zoom in or out of the chosen area of interest. You can also navigate to the chosen area by double-clicking or scrolling with your mouse. For this tutorial, I will use an example, the area located in the Gulf of California, Mexico. This is a potentially important area for whale sharks. To construct a polygon, use the Create Polygon button from the Tools bar at the top. After you click this button, a dialog window will pop out. In this window, you can name the polygon, for example, the preliminary area of interest, and add some information. Please write the name of the preliminary area of interest, and in the description section, repeat the name and add the qualifying species, for example, whale shark, and the criterion or criteria used for the submission, for example, criterion A, vulnerability, and criterion C2, feeding areas. In the other tabs, you can add links and images, but for this case, that will not be necessary. In the Style Color tab, you can change the outline and the filling for the polygon. We suggest that you use red outline, and for the filling, keep it with no color. Move the cursor to the chosen area, and you will see a crosshair. Use this crosshair to place it at the point where you will start drawing the polygon, and click with the left button. The first click you make will be the first point of the polygon. You can choose to follow the coastline to delineate the boundaries of the preliminary area of interest. The more times you click the mouse button, the more detailed the boundary will be. At this stage of proposing a preliminary area of interest, you don't need to delineate the area perfectly. These boundaries will be refined during the workshops and by the ISRA team based on the proposals and the review process. However, be as detailed as you want. You can even zoom in to refine the boundaries of this area. Continue clicking until you construct the desired polygon with as many points as you want. After you finish delineating the polygon, click the OK button in the dialog box. If you click on the polygon, it will give you its name and some of the information you have entered. The polygon created will appear in the sidebar on the left. The Places bar, along with the information that we just wrote in the description. If you click the polygon with the right button, a new menu will unfold, where you can choose to save the created polygon using the Save Place As option. You can choose the folder where you will save the file and export it as a KMZ file, which can be opened in the other GIS software and which should be sent to the ISRA team along with your preliminary area of interest submission. So, that will be all regarding how to construct polygons in Google Earth. Thank you for watching this demo.